Building Wealth, The Path to Financial Freedom. Chapter 1, Video number 7. The Money Map, Navigating the Need for Financial Literacy. As children, we relied on our parents for everything, even though we understood how money works. It's only when we step out into the real world, take responsibility and bear the costs that we realize the importance of financial literacy. According to a study by National Student Money, up to 74% of college students say they want a better financial education. The survey also shows that 65% of students who lack financial management skills suffer from financial anxiety and 76% believe drop out due to financial health issues. As young people, we are not taught to meet the challenges of scarce resources and high costs. Instead, banks are happy to offer credit cards, increasing the temptation to overspend. It's like these companies are waiting for us to stumble. Take my personal experience for example. When I opened my first bank account in my freshman year of college, I got a credit card without any guidance or training. I was naive and believed that success in high school would empower me to manage my money. However, I never really intended to use a credit card during my college days. It stayed untouched in my drawer as I depended on the money for my expenses. However, after graduation, my savings ran out and I switched to credit cards to make ends meet. I failed to ask myself the crucial question, how can I systematically pay back the borrowed money? I lost the answer. Since I only used my credit card when I needed money immediately, I figured I could rely on my future income to cover the payments. Because I was used to using cash, paying off my credit card debt was a lower priority. I have found that the minimum monthly payments are sufficient to maintain both my credit card and cash balances. Unfortunately, this strategy proved futile. Despite regular payments, my credit card balance is stagnant. I ran out of cards less than a year after graduating. I continued to use my credit card every month, relying on it to fill the gap between my income and expenses. This plan trapped me in a cycle of senseless debt, a story that resonates with millions of young people across the country. As my personal experience shows, I finished my studies without the necessary financial knowledge. However, I had no idea about money management. What I didn't know was that this journey would bring its own set of challenges, some of which I will detail in later videos. It's important to note that even financial advisors, whom we often hold in high esteem, can struggle with financial literacy.